This is Marcel Brown, the most trusted name in technology, bringing you your technology history for March 23rd. March 23rd, 1857, the world's first commercial safety elevator goes into service at Haughwout Department Store in New York City. Yes, it sounds magical, but it's not Hogwarts. Created and installed by Alicia Otis, it was powered by a steam engine which moved at a rate of 40 feet per minute and took 15 seconds to move between floors. By the 1870s, there were 2,000 Otis elevators in service. The creation of a practical and safe elevator was a major step toward the development of modern skyscrapers, since it made buildings with more than a few floors accessible to the general public. Ironically, this first elevator was shut down after just 3 years because not enough customers wanted to use it. March 23, 2001, the Russian space station Mir burns up in Earth's atmosphere after 15 years in orbit. The debris that isn't burned up falls safely into the Pacific Ocean between Chile and New Zealand, in a region from which governments had routed planes and ships away. The station, which was launched in 1986, far exceeded its intended lifespan of 5 years. That's your technology history for today. For more, tune in tomorrow and visit my website, thisdayintechhistory.com.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.